Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi POCO C3 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and find additional settings. Now let's tap on the languages and input and choose languages. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So we've got actually quite a lot of options to choose from. And all you have to do right now is find the language you want to use and tap on it. So let me choose, for example, this one. I'm not really sure what kind of language it is, but let's tap on it in order to use it. And as you can see, immediately and automatically your device will change the language to the chosen one. Let's get back. As you can see here, we've got the same situation. The whole menu, the whole system will be in chosen language. So now let me show you it again, because I'm not really sure if I'm good enough in this language. So let me get back to the list and let's tap on the United Kingdom English. And as you can see, it also immediately changes, so it means that from now on the whole system will be in English. So actually that's all. This is how to simply change the system language in your Xiaomi POCO C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.